Hello, everybody. I wanted to give you the promised demonstration of the new dashboards feature that the programming department has been working so hard on. So you'll notice I'm going to demo this for you from a browser-based environment, but when it's complete, it's actually going to be wrapped inside the program. So we've got our username, our company name, and our password, and we're going to go ahead and log in, and we're going to get our list of dashboards. I'm going to come back to this in a second, but I've set up a sample dashboard for us to take a look at. Check this out. So a dashboard is a visual representation of a variety of different pieces of information all at one time. So each one of these metrics here is what we're calling a tile. And we've got a big list of built-in tiles. As you can see, cases by class code, case type, primary staff, average value, settlements and fees by month, case expenses, intake items, checklist items, and a custom tile, allowing them to kind of design their own query and how they want it to display. So in the sample I've set up, I've got kind of my case inventory on my top row, cases by case type, class code, and primary staff assigned. Then I've got sort of my intake level here, the number of intakes I've got coming in for the time period and who they're coming in from. And then my financial information, settlements by month and average value of close cases. Now don't look too much at this information because this is just a dummy database, but you can see how helpful this would be to one of our client law firms understanding a variety of things all at once. So a couple things to check out. First, each of these tiles has a backend that can be modified. So I've got cases by case type here, and I can go in and edit that. And you can see I can change my title, my description, my visualization type, line chart, bar chart, gauge chart, and donut. Refresh rate, how often do I want this to refresh on my dashboard? So you might want to set it to refresh itself every 5 minutes or so. And then I can specify which cases I want displayed. By class codes, I've already done this by case type. So these were the most important case types for my firm that I wanted to display. Obviously open and closed, start and end dates, which you can set specific dates or specific ranges, which is amazing, or primary staff. So you set all these parameters just like you would if you were running a report, save it, and then that's the information that will display. And you can see all this information can be displayed in a variety of ways. Not just that, but it's got hover over functionality as well. So I can see that my drug torts represent 55% of my cases, my MVAs represent 9%, but what I can do is I can hover and it's going to give me that number. That's 12 cases, and that's 2 cases. Same with any of the stuff. And if I want, I can actually drill down. So my attorney is currently handling 7 cases. Let's go ahead and click that, and it's going to give me a list of each one of these cases. The programming team has done a wonderful job here. Not only is this helpful, but visually, it's very appealing, it's stunning, it's going to be a major new tool for the sales department. I think people are going to be really excited about it, and I think it's really going to deliver us an opportunity to engage further with our client base to help them build these things to meet their specific needs. Now, to check out one more thing, we can actually go back to our list of boards. The firms can build as many of these different dashboard setups as they want. So if they want to build a specific dashboard for, say, the intake department or the case managers or the management team or financial dashboard specifically for the folks involved with the financial aspects of the firm, or like I've done, individual users can build their own dashboard so it displays the information that's most important to them. So I think this is going to be amazing. Again, the programming team has done a wonderful job. As this gets closer to release time, we'll be spending time with staff to make sure everybody understands exactly how this functions and what sort of training and support questions we are expecting. Hope you've enjoyed it, and more to come.